In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close partials on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, managing your trades efficiently is key to maximizing your success. So, let's dive right into how you can execute partial closes on TradingView. First, head over to TradingView.com and sign into your account. TradingView is a versatile platform offering a robust suite of tools for traders of all levels. Once you're logged in, navigate to your charts. This is where the magic happens. You'll find the charts essential for analyzing your trades and making informed decisions. Next, look to the upper left corner where you should see a blue buy button. This is where you'll start the process of buying a position that you may later want to partially close. Click on the buy button to begin. After clicking buy, you'll be prompted to enter your trade details, including the quantity and other relevant specifics. It's crucial to double-check this information to ensure your trade is executed accurately. With your trade details confirmed, click on buy to execute the trade. This step places your order in the market, securing your position. Now that you've successfully made a trade, the next task is to manage it effectively, which brings us to closing partials. To prepare for this, you'll need to find the close button located at the lower right of the screen. Clicking on it will allow you to proceed to the next step. Here, you'll see the option for a partial close. This feature is excellent if you want to take some profits off the table, while allowing the rest of your position to ride the trend. Review this option and decide the portion of your position you'd like to close. It's beneficial to use analytics and your trading strategy to make these decisions, balancing potential gains against market risks. Finally, once you're ready, click on Close Position. This action will execute the partial close as specified, finalizing the adjustment to your position. Having the ability to close partial positions on TradingView allows you greater flexibility and control over your trades, enabling you to respond dynamically to market conditions as they evolve. And there you have it. Closing partials on TradingView is straightforward once you're familiar with the interface. This method is a powerful tool in your trading arsenal, offering the ability to secure profits while maintaining exposure to potential further gains. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out.